I was in my garden the other day. I needed some carrots for a meal, and I picked one, and it was long and skinny. It wasn't bad, but it was nothing spectacular. But it was a nice carrot. I picked another one, and it was huge. It was thick. It was long. I was like, "What the heck is this?" I was quite surprised. So I didn't film that, but I need some more carrots for dinner tonight. So I said, let me try and pick a couple more carrots and see what we get out of the garden. I've moved my carrots from where they were, because if you remember in my parsnip picking video, I had said I was going to be moving the bed that I grew the sweet potatoes in, and I ended up doing that. I moved it from back there to over here, so I took all the dirt out, moved the bed, filled it all back in. Hope that doesn't affect my sweet potatoes next year. But I moved my carrots down here, and I didn't think it was going to matter all that much because they're in a pretty shady area, and that's why I wasn't expecting all that much from my carrots, is because, as I had mentioned in that video, that whole area is just in shade in the fall, something I hadn't realized. So they're under my fruit trees right now, which are pretty bare at the moment, so whatever sun comes through they should be able to get. So I'm pretty sure the really big carrots came out of one of these two buckets, and I think the skinny carrot came out of this long container that I planted in. Now I can't remember which carrot is which. Oh wait, I have a sticker. Let's see if I can remember what I wrote. Glasses are necessary. Okay, these are my home saved seeds. So I'm thinking the carrot that I grew that was really big was from here. And I think those in there are from M.I. Gardener. So I'll have to see, because I'll pick out one or two from these buckets, and then I'll pick out a couple from here, and we'll see what we got. So I can see that there's a couple already sticking up out of the ground here, and this one's actually all the way out of the ground, and it's a tiny little thing. But if you look at this here, that looks like a pretty decent carrot, so I'm going to pull that one out, and we'll see what this does. Oops, pulled out a baby one too. So that's not a bad carrot, but it's kind of shaped like the ones that I grew previously, and these are the home saved seed. So, and this little baby carrot I pulled out, I'm going to eat that now. But let's see what else we got in here. I'll pull out one more from here and see if I can find one with some big shoulders in here. It's a little bit bigger than, a little bit more crowded than it should be. This one, not going to be big. Yeah, I didn't think so, because it was halfway out of the ground, so I probably pulled it out. All right, let's pull out a couple out of here and see what this container gives us. Now there's no shoulders sticking out of the ground here, so good. So I guess I'll just have to kind of dig around and see if I can find something with some large shoulders. And I'm not really feeling anything that's particularly big. Let me try this one here. Nah, this isn't big enough. Can already tell. This one, and maybe this one. Nope. Cute little thing. So, all right, I'll try one more from here. Let's see what this one is. Nope. Another cute one. So, I got no... This one I pulled out of the ground too already. Yeah, should have taken a picture. This one. They don't seem particularly large in here. I gotta say that. They don't look like they're ready yet from here. I was just so shocked by the size of the one that I had pulled out that I really couldn't believe it. So let me move these over to here. And let's see what we got in here. Oh, here's that little one. I can see a small one. This one actually looks... Nope. Must have just gotten lucky with that one. Yeah. I feel so let down now. I'm gonna pick out one more. Oh. Yeah, split right along the side. I think it was right up against another carrot. Yeah. I end up pulling out all my carrots. I've mentioned it before when I start pulling carrots. That's not a bad carrot. It's about half the size of the one that I pulled out the other day. But I think those are some good carrots for dinner. And I'll leave the others in there for future harvests. So, not a bad little harvest on the carrots. I was hoping for some more giant ones like that one I previously pulled out, and I wish I had taken a picture of it. I was just so shocked by it. I ran in and showed Mrs. Triple G. I was like, look what I got. So just a small carrot harvest. Not bad. Certainly good for a meal or two. Probably picked too many for tonight's dinner, as much as we like carrots. But very pleased. So if you want to see what we're doing in the garden last week, check out this video right here, and then subscribe and hit that notification bell. And that way you'll be able to follow along on the progress on all of our vegetables as we try to grow a supermarket in our own backyard. Thanks for watching.